Thank you. Good evening, friends, and thank you so much for being here. All the great dignitaries on the dais, Simiji, Remaji, Mr. Reddy, and my friend Shashi and his wife, Anu, whom I've known since many, many years. Well, my association with Reddy Saab and YesG has been a very long association, and what I liked about both of them was they were basically very happy people, very happy. Like YesG was always a person who was a giver, besides being a filmmaker. And I know the kind of love and affection both had for each other, and I feel nobody better than Mr. Reddy to really come up with this kind of an award. And when he called me up, I says, Anil, this is what I'm thinking, that I want to give an award, in the name of YesG, and in his memory, Yash Chopra National Memorial Award. I said, wonderful, because we all love YesG, and who better than YesG? And we've spent some great moments. Well, I've worked with him in quite a few films, and matter of fact, I'm sitting in front of you today, and is, I think, in a way thanks to him, because it was the film Mashal, which really was the turning point of my life, of my career, and that's the film which really changed my life completely. So I'll always be grateful to him, and anything which Mr. Reddy says, and of course, if, for me, I think YesG is always alive and always living for me, because his films are going to live forever, his songs are going to live forever, and, his banner is, the biggest banner, and so it's an honor for me to be associated with such an award and such a wonderful person Mr. Reddy is, and of course with Simiji and Hemaji there as jury members. I'm very honored, and Mr. Reddy, as he says, that we have, that the jury has decided, obviously it's a very informal kind of a jury at the moment, and we're going to make it much more transparent, and we're going to involve many more people in the coming years. But this year it was very, very easy to really to decide who we should give the award, and who can be better than the Bharat Ratna, the ultimate, the Nightingale, who has entertained us, given us so much of joy, love, happiness, peace, you name it. The great, the ultimate, the Lata Mangeshkar. Thank you for coming, and wish us luck that every year we do this with dignity and honor. Thank you very much.
In fact, Anil Kapoor had a long association with Mr. Yash Chopra. Mashal, as he said, Dilip Kumar ji and Anil Kapoor, they acted. Then Lamme was famous, became famous all over the world, and he was the hero. And the film still, he always used to remember his brilliant performance. So we have selected the jury who are evergreen, ever charming, ever cute, these three people. So then I must say I must compliment all the.
You are the most charming and most excellent.
So for this, Shashi Ranjan, Anu Ranjan, who are always experts in arranging wonderful events, they are nice enough to be associated with this. So they are associated with this award, and then coordinating. They coordinate. No, I request Shashi.
Shashi, Ranjan.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. I'm extremely proud and happy that Subirama Reddy ji has chosen us to do this fantastic award. And as everybody has told you, that this is going to be a stamp of merit in the years to come. And with the association like these three stalwarts who are sitting on the dais, I'm sure this will be an award where people will feel extremely proud to be a recipient. And so far as my association with Subiji is concerned, he has been our friend, philosopher and guide, and his wish has been always our command. So whatever he wishes, we'll see to it that in the best possible way we give it to the people. Thank you.
Actually, I happen to be chairman of National Film Jury 2 times, National Film Awards Committee, so I had some idea also about jury. So our Hemaji and Anil Kapoor, they felt that this award should be at par with dignity and popularity like Dada Palak Award. Why not? So Yaji, for 60 years, his contribution cannot be forgotten. As I told, no maker can last 6 decades continuously. Of all, like maybe 1 or 2 occasions are not successful. Every continuous success, he made a phenomenal mark in contribution. So definitely his name should be perpetual in the hearts and minds of all generations in the future. That's our idea to make this award. No, I request Anur and Jesma.
Thank you so much. I'll just conclude what we all already discussed and told you. It's the Subir Raman Reddy sir has announced the Yash Chopra Memorial National Award, which is going to be an annual event with the stalwart jury. They're going to get people who made a very, who left an incredible mark in this business of entertainment in the minds of all. Like Sibi said, that Dada Saheb Phalke was a great, but in present day time, it's Yash Chopra who is a great. And this is going to be an annual affair, and every year people who matter the most are going to be presented this honor, and the list will just go on, and that's it, I guess. Anything else? No? Nothing else. And everybody, please, after this, join us for tea and coffee and snacks, since you've come a long way in the race. And I just like to hand over to Mr.
Lastly, please again repeat this note down. Some people came late. The award instituted by T. Subramanian Foundation carries 10 lakhs. Is October 19 in Grand Hyatt. The function takes place in a by the participation of galaxy of personalities from film industry and also celebrities from other side. Then now, and the great celebrity of the nation, Lata Mangeshkar ji, will be getting this award, and the jury unanimously they decided to give the award to Lata Mangeshkar ji this year. So October 19th. You can ask any questions if you want, you can ask.
मेरा सवाल है
Without art lover, and unless you are connected of art and culture, art cannot be promoted. So I always believe through art you must inspire. With inspiration you must vibrate. Vibration you must stimulate. With stimulate you must electrify. With energy you magnify. What is it?
अनिल जी, मेरा आपसे सवाल है, जब बात यश जी की अवार्ड की आई तो क्या यश चोपड़ा फैमिली से भी आप लोगों की किसी की बात हुई या उनको भी शामिल करने का या उनसे राय मशवरा करने की, आपको सजेशन देने का भी आप लोगों ने बात की?
हाँ, रेड्डी साहब आज ही उनकी मुलाकात हुई आदि साहब से, तो रेड्डी साहब इसके बारे में कुछ कहेंगे।
जी सर, आपने बात की है यश चोपड़ा फैमिली से किसी
Yes, yes. Actually, पैम से हम बात किया है और आज भी आदि चोपड़ा से बात किया है, वो भी बहुत खुशी है। हम भी बहुत क्लोज फैमिली मेंबर वैसा है। 30 साल से मैं बोला था ना, मैं बहुत क्लोज फैमिली मेंबर हूँ और ये भी एक महान और very wonderful event. They're extremely happy. A dear friend of their family and a man who is lover of art and culture and their friendship, their family friend. They're doing it. They felt extremely happy. Morning I had spent 45 minutes with Adi Chopra. I was extremely happy, and also the date we both discussed and finalized because he was planning to have some function on Yash's birthday program. Afterwards, we want a 1-month gap. So we're going to have in October 19th, Saturday, convening everybody, all of you. Sunday you can relax and much more easy. So Saturday, pakka confirm ho gaya, and it is suited by Adi Chopra and Pam Chopra ji, everybody according to their convenience, all come. And Lata ji will take a consent also, to inform her. So October, convene to everybody. And no rains also in October.
लता दीदी तो वैसे भी अवार्ड एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती है, तो कैसे कन्विंस किया आपने लता दी को अवार्ड के लिए?
Lata ji is very close to divine Lord Shiva, and she is also close to Yashi. She is like a brother. Yashji is like brother to her. Always they have been so close, and for 60 years she has been rendering music in all his films. They have been very close friends, as I know, as a close friend. So she will be extremely happy to receive the award. Yashji is who always she treated like a brother, and she is a wonderful man, and they are so close friends. Very happy.
सर मेरा अनिल